If you've ever wanted to start an online business, but maybe you thought, I don't have anything valuable to sell. Well, this story is for you, because the skill that becomes your business may not feel special to you yet, something friends already ask you for help with. Maybe it's something you figured out through good old trial and error, something that just feels easy to you, but difficult to another person, and they're willing to pay you for help. And you do not need to be the best in the world to make really good money. You just need to help someone who's just a few steps behind you. But most new entrepreneurs, they think they need everything figured out before they can even begin. A website, a funnel, a payment system, email software, customer tracking, ads, automations, and 10 other tools that they don't have any idea how to use yet. But meet Marcos Ruiz. He started with something simpler. After 5 years of struggling to make money, he started writing for like 20 bucks a post on a site called Upwork. He just started with one simple thing that he knew how to do. Then he made an important change. He stopped just selling random writing jobs on Upwork, and he turned that same simple skill into one clear offer for business owners. And that offer became the business, the Birdhouse, a personal branding company that helps founders that turn their content into leads, calls, and sales. And according to this case study, the company crossed $1.7 million in revenue in just 1 year, and now bringing multiple six figures in every single month. But here's the part that most people miss. The business did not grow because Marcos simply posted more content. It did not grow because he found some type of secret AI loophole. It grew because he had a simple path from getting people's attention to building trust, and from trust, they turn into paying customers. Every post he made online showed off what he could do. Every client that he got results for gave him proof. Every piece of proof made his offer easier to trust, and so every interested person had a clear next step. And that is what turned a simple $20 skill into a real, thriving company. And it matters because your first business may not come from learning something new. You might just need a better way to package what you already know and can already do. So in this video, I am breaking down the exact shift that Marcos made and how he turned a cheap freelance job into a clear and valuable offer. And then how his content started bringing him leads instead of just likes on the internet. And then how he built a system that could grow without him having to do everything all by himself. But I don't want to leave this as just another business story that sounds good, and then it gives you nothing that you can actually use. So later in the video, I'm going to build a simple version of Marcos's business from scratch and show you how simple it is to get launched today using a powerful AI tool that I'll reveal a little bit later. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take my skill of getting leads, and then I'm gonna use a special AI tool to create the offer, to create the website, the lead flow, the follow-up system, so you can see how all the pieces work together. Not 10 different disconnected tools, not months of setup, one simple business with one clear path to a customer. And I'm going to show you one simple AI tool that brings it all together and launches that simple business. Now, I want to make sure it's really clear what I'm about to show you can make results happen fast. But what we're about to cover is not get rich quick. You're not going to see me in sunglasses standing next to a rented Lamborghini. You're not going to learn some magic AI loophole that's going to bring you clients with no effort. You still have to actually solve a real problem or help people with a clear offer. And you still have to, build a business. But with that said, I am going to show you how to do this fast in a simple way and get launched quickly so you can get revenue coming in the door. And by the end of this video, you will know how to find the business that's hidden inside something that you already know. You're going to learn how to turn it into an offer that people actually understand and how to build a simple path to your first customer. All right, let's dive in. Now, you have 2 steps to start with. First, you have to look within to discover what is that skill. And you want to examine every area of life, from what you do for work to maybe things that you help your family with, maybe things that you've helped yourself with, and discover what is something that you have either knowledge or a skill that you can pass on and share and help other people. This could be things like organization. It could be things related to health. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be a doctor, but as an example, I've had my own health journey and have learned a lot of information about how to handle certain types of specific health issues in a natural and non-medical way. So I can, and I have actually turned that into a business and made a lot of money at it. It could be that you package advice or information or training, but it could also be a service that you actually do things for them. And you would be surprised, you can charge a lot of money for services. People still pay humans really well when you help people solve problems. And it could also be that you're doing consulting or advice where you'll jump on Zoom or on the phone and guide them through helping them with their problems. So once you've identified your skills are, and I personally, what I would recommend is that you make a list and start making a list of the things that you think you could help people with, or things that you think you could give advice about. And those, again, could be hobbies, could be personal experiences, could be things that you have been trained for, or is your profession. You make that list. That's number one. The second thing you want to do is get really clear on who you're going to take that skill and help. How are you going to help, and who are you going to help? And you may find that you want to focus on one specific topic. So once you have that clear, we're going to show you, I'm going to call it magic because it kind of is magic. It is a magic AI tool that we're going to go to now. You're going to take these two pieces of information and you're actually going to have a conversation with this AI. You're going to fire up your microphone and you're going to talk to him, and he's going to help you turn this into an actual thriving business. Watch this. Now, if you've been following me for long, you can probably guess the magic AI tool, and that is Buildy AI. Now, Buildy is a complete voice agent system who has a massive team of AIs, mini AI army, a swarm of AI, what they call sub-agents, that he can send out to do tasks for you. They can build you websites, they can do research, they can give you marketing advice, entrepreneurial advice, and they do literally every aspect of building, running, growing a business. It's every aspect from the idea in your mind to a launched business with customers coming in, and he does it for you. So we're going to start out and bring him an idea with these two things that you've done the research on. You've made your list of your two things. We're going to bring that to Buildy, and we're going to launch it. Watch this.
Hey there, Bill. I'm Buildy. I can help you build a website, run market research, set up marketing campaigns, and more. What are you working on?
Yeah, Buildy, I want to start a new business and I need your help. I need a little bit of guidance from you. So I'm really good at helping consultants get leads, different consultants that could be like social media consultants, marketing agencies, things like that. And I need to put this together into a business. Can you help me with that?
To get you started, it sounds like you need a proper home base for this business. A website that explains what you do and gets people to reach out.
Let's build a site that's going to get me leads. So how about we do a beautiful homepage with a lot of images, a lot of loading animations and stuff. I want it to look really awesome. And I have 3 example websites that I want to share with you that I like the designs and I'd like you to use for inspiration. And then what I want to do is send them into a quiz, like an assessment, a quiz funnels type style. So they have to answer questions that help me pinpoint their frustrations, their problems, the goals they're trying to achieve, maybe some information on their budget. And then at the end, they get a custom one-on-one assessment where you'll use AI to give them a roadmap of what they should be doing, and then encourage them to book a call with me so I can offer them help on implementing that roadmap.
That's a great funnel concept. A high-impact homepage leading into a quiz that qualifies them and ends with a personalized AI roadmap and a call booking. Once the site is live, what's your plan for getting consultants to actually find it? Are you thinking paid ads, organic content, or something else?
What do you recommend?
For this kind of service, I'd actually go with a 2-pronged approach. Google search ads are great because consultants actively searching for how to get more leads are already in buying mode. You're capturing existing demand right when they're looking. Pair that with LinkedIn content, since that's where consultants and agency owners hang out professionally. Carousel posts work really well there for things like tip lists or frameworks around lead generation. Those two together would give you both immediate traffic and longer-term organic authority. Google search ads and LinkedIn content are both well within what we can do together. We'll get to that once the site is live. Speaking of the site, the team just came back with a couple of quick questions before they start building. A business name, and if you don't have one yet, they can use a working placeholder, and a booking link like Calendly for the end of the quiz, or if you don't have one, they can just capture contact info so you can follow up manually.
So now Buildy is gone to work and he is building out the basis of our business. We will have a website. We'll have a way for us to get leads and a whole process to start to convert them into sales for the skill that I have, where I can help other companies get leads. For you, that might be completely different. But for me, it's the superpower of being able to get lots of leads for businesses. And that's what I built my brand around. So let's take a look and see what Buildy has created.
The Signal and Scale site is live and ready for you to explore. Here's what we built: a premium homepage with bold animations, a stats and social proof section, a problem section, a how it works walkthrough, testimonials, FAQ, and strong calls to action throughout. Right behind that is a 7-question quiz funnel that identifies the visitor's frustrations, goals, and budget, captures their contact info, generates a personalized AI roadmap, and closes with a book a call button. You can check it all out in the preview tab on the right. The main things to swap in when you're ready are your real booking link, your actual testimonials, and your true stats numbers. Just let me know when you have those and we'll plug them in.
I've looked it over. It looks fantastic. And so from here, you can help me get this online so we can register a domain name, publish the website, and you can help me start getting customers. Is that right?
That's exactly right. I'll have the team register and connect a custom domain to your site. For publishing, once the domain is set, we get the site live. And for getting customers, we can run paid ad campaigns on Meta or Google search, set up email sequences, create social media content, or even set up a chatbot on the site to engage visitors. Whatever makes the most sense for where you want to start.
Yeah, I think first, I'm going to check out the website and test it out, and then I'll come back to you and you can help me start to get my customers.
Sounds like a plan.
So now I'm going to test out the funnel. Let's see what happens. So this is the coolest part. Buildy's actually taking all of my custom answers and creating AI-written, actually, report specifically tailored to me based on my answers. And it becomes a great way for me to get, leads and customers. All right, here is the assessment. It actually looks great, giving me a roadmap, and then invites someone to book a call with me to implement the roadmap. And realize this is all custom written in real time based upon the answers from the company. So now that we've done that, let's go back to Buildy and I'll show you a quick example, because it's one thing to build out a website, right? There are a lot of tools that can build a site, but here you have an entire system from building it to hosting it, managing it, database, your contact management system, otherwise known as a CRM or customer relationship management system, is built in. Everything needed to get customers in the door converted into sales. And there is no other platform that I know of that takes it end to end from an idea in your head to a launched business with customers in the door. I want to show you just a quick sample of what we could do, maybe as a LinkedIn post that I might want to share to try to attract some customers. Check this out. Okay, Buildy, you did a fantastic job on the site. I think it's amazing. It's going to help me get a lot of customers. And now I'd like to see an example of doing a post. So if I wanted to make a post on LinkedIn, can you make the image and all of the text and everything needed to post on LinkedIn?
Absolutely. I can put together full LinkedIn post for you, image and caption included, ready to go live in one click. What do you want the post to be about?
5 pain points or 5 problems that one of my ideal clients might have. 5 reasons you're not getting enough leads or something like this. Do you have some ideas that you can help me with?
For a LinkedIn post like that, a carousel would actually be perfect. Each slide gets its own image and covers one pain point, so it's way more engaging than a single image. So 5 pain points plus a cover slide and a call to action slide at the end would land really well. Want me to go ahead and build that out as a LinkedIn carousel?
Yeah, let's do that.
You'll be able to review the whole thing in your Queue tab, make any tweaks, and post it with one click. One thing worth thinking about is turning this carousel into a series. 5 pain points is a great format you could repeat monthly with different angles, like 5 mistakes consultants make with their pricing, or 5 signs it's time to productize your services.
Yeah, I think it's a great idea. So now Buildy is creating my first piece of content that's going to start getting customers to come to my website. And it's just the beginning. He'll do posts across all of my social media channels, X, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok if I want, and many others. And all I have to do is chat with him like you see me doing now. So let's take a look and see what he's created for us.
Your carousel is ready, Bill. 7 slides, navy and cobalt visuals throughout, a full caption, and a suggested publish time. It's sitting in your Queue tab waiting for you to review it. To actually get it live, you'll need to connect your LinkedIn account, which you can do from the Dashboard tab up top under Marketing and Ads. Once it's connected, you can post it immediately or schedule it for later.
Thanks, Buildy. This is fantastic. I think that's all for now. Thanks for your help.
Come back anytime you're ready to keep building. Take care.
And just like that, I've taken my idea. And remember, we started with one skill that I have that I can help others with, one group of people that I want to help. You bring that to Buildy, and look, we've got a business launched, ready to deploy, ready to have customers come in the door, and an AI that will go out and bring us visitors and customers and clients to our new business. Pretty amazing. And with that, I'd like to know, what are your questions about how to get visitors to your brand new business? I've showed you how to launch it. I know a lot of people have questions about how to get traffic or how to get their first customer. If you have any questions about social media, about running ads or other things, drop that question down below, and it's going to drive our next set of videos so we can help you not just launch your business like you saw me do today, but start to get traffic and customers and money flowing in the door. Now, I hope you got value from today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up for me. And of course, we're always here on YouTube doing content just like this every single week. So down below, if you're here on YouTube at the moment, you might be watching this video somewhere else. If so, go to YouTube, and down below the video, you will see the red subscribe button. Give it a tap, and I would love to see you on my next video. And with that, bye for now.